How can you feel totally safe? Definitely with Perenio. This is a kind of brain center for a smart security kit in your home. It collects all information from sensors and sends it to the Perenio Smart application on your smartphone. Install the Perenio Smart mobile application to activate smart home devices. Register a new user account, enter your name, password, and your country of residence. Then wait for a confirmation email. Connect the device to the source of power. Use smartphone to scan a QR code from the back page of the Quick Start Guide. Enter Wi-Fi network password. Specify the device name and location in the application. Activate the other sensors. Activate your devices in the application and select their area of installation. Your home is safe as a fortress with Perenio.